Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we will guide you on how to convert your script into a video using the incredible Pictory AI software. So without further ado, let's dive into the steps. To get started, open up Pictory AI by simply clicking the link provided in the description below. It will allow you easy access to the software. Once you have opened Pictory AI, click on the login option and enter your account credentials to log in. On the homepage, locate the Script to Video option and click the Proceed button. You will now be redirected to the script editor page. This is where you will place the script that you have prepared beforehand. Enter the title of your video. For demonstration purposes, let's use Sample as the title. Then paste your script into the designated area below. At the Scene Settings section, you have the option to activate Auto Highlights Keywords and Auto Visual Selection. These features automatically highlight keywords and select visuals for your video. It's convenient and time-saving, so I recommend leaving them activated. However, if you prefer to manually highlight specific parts of your script, you can do so by selecting the text you want to highlight and clicking on the Highlight option on the left side of the screen. Once you are satisfied with your script, ensure that the message Saved is displayed along with a green check mark. This indicates that all changes have been saved. Now you can click the Proceed button. Next, you need to choose a template for your video. Let's go with the lemon template as an example. Then, select the aspect ratio for your video based on where you plan to use it. The 16:9 aspect ratio is commonly used for YouTube videos, while 9:16 works well for YouTube Shorts, Reels, and TikTok. The 1:1 ratio is typically used for Instagram. Now, patiently wait for the AI to finish the generating process. The processing time depends on the length of your script. Congratulations! The generating process is complete. Once the generating process is completed, you will be redirected to this page where you can also edit your desired video. And also you will notice the note on the preview screen on the right side that says, "Don't worry. The stock visual watermarks you'll see here are only present in preview mode. They won't be included in the downloaded video." Just click the Got It button, then proceed to edit your desired video without a doubt to watermarks. That's it! You have successfully generated your script into a video using Pictory AI. Feel free to make additional changes to tailor the video to your liking. You can rewrite the script, modify visuals in each scene, add background music, include a voiceover, and even experiment with various template styles. Once you have finished editing, click the Preview button located at the upper right corner of your screen. This allows you to watch the entire video and ensure it meets your expectations. When you are fully satisfied with your video, it's time to download it. Click the Download button and select Video on the upper right side of the screen. Wait patiently for the preparation process to complete. Remember, the duration depends on the length of your video. After the preparation process is finished, click the Download button again and save the video to your desired folder. Well done! You have successfully transformed your script into an incredible video using Pictory AI. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.